project is?
Our project name is Smart Gas Leakage Alarm System.
Hey, wait, we are taking pictures.
Exit number 3. Children, keep clapping. Time you may listen to our children. Okay? Be quiet, and after every presentation you must encourage them cheerful.
Good morning to one and all. Respected principal sir, dear teachers, and my dear friends. This is Dion from 7th class. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. Why do we celebrate National Science Day? Anybody knows? We celebrate National Science Day in India to honor the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist CV Raman. On February 28, 1928, Sir CV Raman discovers Raman effect, which explains how light changes its wavelength when it passes through transparent material. For groundbreaking discovery, he received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930, becoming the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize in Science. Thank you and have a happy National Science Day. Good morning to all. This is Priya from 7th class. First of all, I wish you a happy Science Day. Today's my topic is Sir CV Raman. Sir CV Raman, 1890 to 1970, was a legendary Indian physicist whose insatiable curiosity about the world led him to unlock the secrets of light. While traveling by a sea in 1921, he wondered why the Mediterranean Sea appeared a beautiful blue, leading him to research how light scatters. On February 28, 1928, he discovered that when light passes through a transparent material, a small portion of it changes color and wavelength. A groundbreaking phenomenon changes color now known as Raman effect. Raman worked in civil service but researched at the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science in Kolkata. He later directed the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear friends, and happy National Science Day. Today, let us listen and learn about some more notable scientists who made our country proud through their great discoveries and contribution to science.
What makes a simple boy from a small town become the president of nation and one of the best scientists in history? First of all, happy Science Day to everyone, and good morning to respected principals, our teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell about APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a scientist, a teacher, and president of India. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram in a simple family. Worked hard and never gave up on his dreams. He became the scientist and he helped India to make missiles and satellites. Even as president, he stayed humble and loved to meet the students and always said that young people are the future of country. One of his famous lines is, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. So finally, APJ Abdul Kalam's life teaches honest, determination and hard work make anything possible if you follow his example. Thank you. Who here? The secret fish purple plant and well unknown to the world. It's none other than Jagadish Chandra Bose. A peaceful good morning to everyone. Today we are gathered here to celebrate National Science Day. I'm Keshin from 7th class. Today I'm going to speak about Jagadish Chandra Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose was a great Indian scientist born on 30th November 1858 in Mymensingh. He was a physicist, biologist, botanist and archaeologist. He is best known for his respond to stimuli. One of his most important inventions was the crescograph, an instrument that could measure the growth of plants. Through his device, he showed that plants react to light, heat, cold, and are living beings with sensitivity. His life inspires students and scientists to work hard and serve humanity through knowledge. The quote told by him is, "The true laboratory is the mind, where behind illusions we uncover the law of truth." Thank you. Good morning to all. I am D. Sutipriya from 7th class. Today I am going to speak about Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai, he is also known as father of Indian space program. He believed that science and space technology should be used to help common people. He inspired many young scientists to dream big. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai helped in building India's space organization and laying the foundation for ISRO. Because of his efforts, India today has satellites and help in communication in weather forecasting and education. Finally, Vikram Sarabhai's life teaches us to dream big, work hard, and the knowledge for good of the nation. He is a great inspiration. Students like us, thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is C.H. Sasra from 7th NS2. Today I am going to say about Homi J. Bhabha. He was a brilliant physicist and he is also known as the father of India's nuclear program. Bhabha's work on comic rays were very important. He set up an important institutions like TIFR and AEC, which helped India grow in science and technology. His vision and hard work made India a big name in science. Let us follow his path and work toward a bright future for our country. Thank you.
A peaceful and colorful good morning to one and all. I am V. Ujjwal from 7th NS2. Today I am here to speak a few words about our great Indian scientist S. Chandrasekhar. First, going through the topic, I wish a happy National Science Day to all. S. Chandrasekhar full name is Subramaniam Chandrasekhar Iyer. He is a great stellar physicist who discovered massive stars can collapse under the gravity to reach enormous. And his father name is Subramaniam Chandrasekhar and his mother name is Lalita Chandra. And he got more prizes like Nobel Prize, Royal Medal, Copley Medal and Bharat Ratna. And he worked in Punjab in 19th October 1910 and he has died in Chicago in United States of America. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sunshiny from 7th class. First of all, happy National Science Day to everyone. Till now, you all have listened about notable Indian scientists made by general, but there are so many Indian women scientists too. One among them is Asima Chatterjee. Today I am going to speak about Asima Chatterjee. Asima Chatterjee is a great Indian scientist. She was born on 23rd September 1917 in Kolkata. She was a famous chemist who made India important contribution in the fields of organic and medical chemistry. Asima Chatterjee is an inspiration for all students, especially girls who want to become a scientist. Her life teaches us that hard work, dedication and determination can help us achieve great success. Thank you.
Very good, children. Might you all listen and learn about science and the notable scientists of our India. Today we are not only celebrating the pride of only one CV Raman. Like that, so many CV Ramans are unsung hero scientists. So many are there in our India. Like that only, we have introduced along with CV Raman some other notable scientists like Vikram Sarabhai, Jagadish Chandra Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam, and women. She is the inspiration to so many girls child and women scientists also, Asima Chatterjee. And we also have to learn about Prafulla Chandra Rai, PC Rai we can say. Right. So I could say a brief about this Science Day. It will connect it to our village. Where are we now? Right now, we are in Wyra. Just The journey of CV Raman starts with from Kolkata to Oxford, London University. You know that? And CV Raman didn't get this award in overnight. So behind of this success, there is so many sleepless nights, so many struggle there. When it started means before he get Nobel Prize only, he is well-known professor. He born in Tamil Nadu and he went to Kolkata as an Indian financial officer there with his curiosity. With his curiosity, he continued about physics teacher. So he is being a physics professor at Kolkata President University. He is going to represent in London Oxford University. As a representative, he is traveling during 1921 from Kolkata to London. While he is traveling from Mediterranean, through the Mediterranean Sea, one thing questioned him. So that's one thing is why. Why the water is appearing in the blue? Why? Before that CV Raman, there is one more scientist there. He is Ray. Rayleigh is the person, he explained about scattering of light. Rayleigh is a scientist, he explained the scattering of light. What he explained means, he explained about scattering of light and he is saying why the sky is blue. So before CV Raman, he explained about why the sky is blue means he said so many particles are there in our atmosphere that atmosphere can scatter the white light which is entering into our atmosphere. Because of that particle, sky is appearing blue. But when the Raman got this doubt why the ocean water is appearing blue means, so many are answered him like it is the reflection of blue sky in the water. But actually that answer not give the satisfaction to the CV Raman. The correct answer made him to drive more deeper into the scattering of light. The thing is, the water particles which are present in the ocean that can split the light into 7 different colors. That is only scattering of light. So after Rayleigh, CV Raman also continued his efforts and find out this Raman effect. And it is very well known. And we are proud to say he is the first Indian scientist received Nobel Prize and is the first Asian scientist. In our continent Asia, first scientist received Nobel Prize is Sir CV Raman. So how this journey started? The journey started with questioning himself and the curiosity drive him to find this one. Generally the word journey end with Y letter. And here the why question lead him to receive Nobel Prize. So 1921 to 1922, 1928, all these 7 years he continued his curiosity, he continued his discoveries about the scattering of light, and finally on February 28 and 1928 he published that one. So he announced the Raman effect. So with his successor, and today we are celebrating, in 1930 he received first Nobel Prize in science. Okay, along with him, so many other scientists also received Nobel Prizes. Like that, Indian Nobel Prize, like we will consider like Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. So that is also very, very important. So start questioning yourself before learning anything. Start why. Then after you learn how. Then after if you are perform that one, everyone say it is aura. Getting, you start with anything explaining. Now any presentation is going means Wyra, like you should think. Why means questioning. Then after learning through how. If you learn means and performing after, everyone will say it is best like aura. The praise word like. So start questioning yourself, start learning and start present in front of everyone. So thank you this wonderful opportunity, and once again I wish you all the science teachers and teachers happy National Science Day. Now I would like to address, call the principal sir to address the gathering. Our children, I would like to call the children who are going to perform in the science act.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am Wyra from 6th and B. My project name is recreational model game.
When I am K. Ganitakshu from 6th and M. When a metal passes over another friction causes vibration and produce sound. This game will improve our concentration. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Chandra from 6th and and P. My partner is Harshit Sai. This is a model of rocket. When air is pushed forcefully, it creates pressure. The compressed air escapes and pushes the rocket upward. It creates upward. It works Newton's of thought law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Vamsi Saram. He is my partner CV Raman. Today's my project is generating electricity from windmill. When a conductor rotates, inside a magnetic field passes the current.
Thank you, children. I would like to invite Principal Sir to participate in this science experiment. Please, sir. And in this activity, it is a motion sensor detector actually. We have to move that handle from the terminal to this another terminal without touching to that metal cable. If it contact means we will get that buzzer. So we'll see. In 3 attempts, sir may hopefully successfully done it. Yes, complete. Thank you, sir, for participating. Now I call our principal sir to address the gathering. Sir, one the chocolate.
So a very good morning to one and all. At the very outset, I would like to appreciate science faculty and the team belonging to science department for trying to showcase something effective and interesting today on this auspicious day of National Science Day. The importance of Science Day, the reason why we celebrate National Science Day is already explained to you. And as our students have gone to Wyra to show their exhibit and be a part of National Science Day, we wish them all great success there. And in our mother campus, of course, National Science Day is going to be celebrated in a very big way with lots of students participating wholeheartedly in the program. So here our students have made beautiful attempt to showcase their talent in science. And of course, National Science Day or Science Day is not only the day where we have to show our temper and interest in science. Every day there is science in our life. So let's try to understand the importance of science in our daily life and try to make use of each and every opportunity, and also try to understand and analyze. So the analytical thinking is always happening when you are seriously involving in science activity and science program, and the science subject itself is meant for that. So whenever we get opportunities, try to do exceedingly well in all the activities and try to learn analytical thinking capacity, as well as try to quench your curiosity as far as your science subject is concerned. So as students have given me a test, I have failed many times, but I could make it, in the sense that although in our daily life, in our practical life, we may fail many times, but we should have the perseverance to continue till the end, so that the success will be yours. And I appreciate the students and the teacher behind the scene to showcase this beautiful exhibit on the stage. And I would like to give this chocolate back to the students who tested me. Once again, thanks to each and every one of you. Have a nice day.